Hi guys, welcome back. Tonight's video is going to be pretty short. I don't think I'll do anything. Reason is we had plumbing issues all week at the house, and I caught something from one of the kids, and I just can't shake it. Right now, I think I got a fever, and I'm just not feeling well. Not well enough to mess with the Bronco any at all. But that being said, I think next week we will pull the Bronco out, flip it around, and we'll put the frame on jack stands, take the tires off, and kind of measure down, see if one of the frame rails is higher than the other, which it kind of looks like it. How I have 4 shims on the passenger side. And another thing is my compressor, something happened with it. It lost all oil and it sprayed everywhere over there. So we're gonna have to look into that a little bit. I don't know if I just need to put more oil in it or what, but it hadn't been on, so I don't know what happened to it. I just noticed that the other day. Thinking once we get the measurements for the frame and see if it's twisted or not, we'll determine what we do next, as in either go ahead and weld it up like it is now, and hopefully when we get the frame straightened, those shims can be removed and it'll be perfect, or either take the body off the frame, and I'm gonna have to buy some metal to make a, I want to say, rudimentary rotisserie, I guess you'd call it, just to get the body up off the frame. That way we can, take everything off and send it somewhere to get it twisted back, and then we can start from the frame up, and then put the body back on it and see where our gaps are then. Let me know which one of those y'all would think would be the best for my situation. Right now I'll do either one. I really like to get everything tacked together though, but if that's going to cost something big down the line, then I don't want to have to rip apart everything we done because the frame's straight now. But anyways, I hope y'all are feeling well. Just give me another week, and we should be able to be back out here and hitting this thing pretty hard. I thought it hit me on Monday. I had chills, cold. Anyways, took a hot bath, and then that's when I found the drain separated from the tub, and water leaked everywhere into the daughter's room and down the hall. So we had to rip up the floors, get fans, blow on it. And did yesterday, putting floors back in. Gotta put a new toilet in tomorrow, fix the hole in the wall. And there's also roots in the septic line, so we had plumber come fix that. So this week's been kind of not the best, but all that's fixed now. We're getting everything back together, so I'm thinking once we get all that done, then I can put my attention on this again and figure out what's going on with it. But that's the plan though from this point forward. And let me know in the comments if you would take the body off the frame, kind of put it on a rotisserie. I'm going to try and make it, if I do make it level and somewhat, has to be somewhat mobile. Kind of make it a little bit bigger than the Bronco is. That way I can push it over the frame and have it up pretty high so I can move the frame in and out, is my idea. So it was not a true rotisserie, but it's more like a lift type thing. But I just don't know how I'm gonna actually get it up there and lift it up. So that's my problem. Sorry about that, but if you have any ideas about how to build one of them, please let me know in the comments as well. I even got wood out there. I can build a wood one, but it just needs to be tall enough. Well, I guess we can take the tires off the frame or off the axles, and the frame will drop down considerably, so it doesn't have to be much higher than that. So I think I can get jacks and jack it up and bolt it up, have it kind of sturdy. That might be the way to do it, and that way I can get under there and start finishing the other side of the Bronco. But anyways, yeah, sorry about the video tonight. Like I said, just not feeling it, and hadn't missed a video, and I think we're coming up on 3 years, February. So I didn't want to start today, but just made a little update, kind of what we're gonna do next time, and just give me a week, and we'll be better. I do have Matt. I will get this sent to you. This is the only snapback they had. It's a Richardson 112 orange. I hope you like it. It was this or yellow, and I like the orange and gray better myself. And I'm gonna go ahead and send you my small and big stickers of each of these, since I have so many and nobody else has had any interest in them. So I'll send you, that'll be 6 stickers and the hinge repair kit. I'll get that sent out this week. Just waiting on the hat to get done. But just want to say thank y'all, and if you made it through this video, thank you a lot. It does mean a lot. I just wish I felt better than I did, or than I do. At least do something. But it's 7:30, and it's way too late to start doing anything right now. But anyways, thank you. Thank you for the support and understanding situation this week. Everything just kind of hit at once, so next week probably gonna start during the week and start messing with it a little bit throughout the week. Hopefully get it squared away. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.